Your social life is in shambles. It is pathetically non-existent. But good news is, it is way easier than you might think to fix it and to make things a lot better, okay? So what I encourage you to do is to meet 100 people as fast as possible, okay? I think you could do it in 1 month. That would be perfect. You could do it faster. It could take you a little bit longer. But let's say 1 month. That's 3 people a day, okay? Now, how do you do that? You gotta have a system and you gotta hold yourself accountable. You gotta make sure you actually do it. That's why I created this friendship builder. It's free. You can get it by clicking on the link down in the description, or you can just create a system yourself, but you might as well get mine, okay? It's gonna help you reach goals. There's exercises and it tells you how to approach people, what to say, etc. First few exercises are pretty easy, then some of them require you to get out of your comfort zone a little bit more, but it's not just about meeting strangers, it's also about reconnecting with old friends or acquaintances, and it's about deepening friendships as well. Like once you've met people you click with, you keep track of those. You can really go the autistic way by using this friendship builder and like keep track of people, write down some information, and then focus on those in terms of deepening the friendships. There's going to be some question ideas as well in order to deepen those friendships, and it's going to tell you how to form groups, how to create group gatherings, which especially if you do those regularly, they can really help you bond with people, especially when you have a shared activity, right? So there's a lot of stuff like that, but the main idea is that you really just need a system to keep you accountable and take action, because a lot of people watch these videos, they read my newsletter, and a lot of people say it's helpful, and I'm sure it is, otherwise I wouldn't be doing this. But I also want to add this component of action, right? I want to help you actually do the stuff instead of just learning about that stuff. So meet 100 people in, let's say, 30 days, 3 people a day. It's very easy. It's not like, you'll see once you've completed that challenge, once you reach 100 people, you'll be like, oh my God, like it was actually easy. And now it's just, I understand that it doesn't have to be scary. It doesn't have to be all that intimidating, right? And maybe you're not even going to make one friend after meeting 100 people, okay? It's unlikely that you won't, but maybe you won't, okay? Like maybe you still need to work on your social skills a lot, or maybe you're just gonna be unlucky. But what's for sure is that after meeting 100 people, you're just gonna be a lot better at meeting people and at making friends. So it's worth it, even if only for that. And if you do it in 1 month, 1 month is not long. So like your social life could be radically different. Your social skills could be radically different 1 month from now. So please do it and take action. I can't stop the video. What's going on? You could also work with me if you want. There's a link for that in the description as well. Let me try to